How does a small-town Kentucky boy transform into one of the most respected and celebrated artists in music history? Chris Stapleton's journey from humble beginnings to stardom is nothing short of extraordinary. Beyond the stage lights and Grammy accolades lies a life built on talent, hard work, and undeniable grit. From his stunning Tennessee home to an enviable car collection and a net worth that mirrors his musical success, his story is as captivating as his soulful tunes. But this isn't just about luxury, it's a glimpse into the life of a true icon. Ready to explore? Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into this incredible journey. Chris Stapleton, a Kentucky native with deep roots in a coal mining family, has carved out an extraordinary path in music. Born on April 15, 1978, in Lexington, he grew up in Staffordsville, a small town near Paintsville Lake. The son of Carol Stapleton, a health department worker, and Herbert Stapleton Jr., a coal mine engineer, Chris was raised with a strong work ethic and a love for his Appalachian heritage. In high school, he excelled academically and athletically, graduating as valedictorian and facing future NFL star Tim Couch on the football field. Stapleton's journey took a pivotal turn in 1996 when he moved to Nashville to study engineering at Vanderbilt University. He soon discovered his passion for songwriting, inspired by meeting a professional songwriter. Leaving academics behind, he signed with Seagale Music, quickly becoming one of the industry's most prolific writers, penning over 1,000 songs in a decade. Before his solo career, Stapleton fronted the bluegrass band Steel Drivers, which achieved critical success with 2 hit records. After leaving the band in 2010, he formed the southern rock group Johnson Brothers, touring regionally and releasing a self-titled album. By 2013, he embraced a solo career, signing with Mercury Nashville. Though his first single, What Are You Listening To?, didn't perform as expected, Stapleton persevered, contributing songs to films and collaborating with industry greats. His solo debut, Traveler, 2015, was a breakthrough, recorded at Nashville's RCA Studio A and co-produced with Dave Cobb. Featuring a live band that included longtime friends and his wife, Morgane, the album was deeply personal. The title track, inspired by a road trip through New Mexico in a 1979 Jeep Morgane gifted him, set the tone for an album filled with soulful, heartfelt tracks. Traveler won Album of the Year at the CMA Awards, where Stapleton also took home Male Vocalist and New Artist of the Year. His duet with Justin Timberlake on Tennessee Whiskey and Drink You Away was a career-defining moment, earning him national prominence. Stapleton's accolades poured in, including Grammys for Best Country Album and Best Country Solo Performance, as well as ACM and CMA awards. Traveler became the top-selling country album of 2016 and has sold over 2 million copies. His next projects, From a Room, Volumes 1 and 2, 2017, continued his success, blending country, blues, and roots rock. Both albums debuted at number 2 on the Billboard 200 and earned him another CMA for Album of the Year. Throughout his career, Stapleton has collaborated with artists across genres, from Justin Timberlake and Adele to Ed Sheeran and Taylor Swift. His contributions include co-writing Timberlake's hit Say Something and recording covers for projects like Elton John and Bernie Taupin's Restoration. In 2020, his album Starting Over marked another milestone, featuring collaborations with members of Tom Petty's Heartbreakers and showcasing his evolving artistry. In 2017, Chris Stapleton and his wife Morgane traded their Nashville roots for the serene sprawl of Franklin, Tennessee, investing $5.6 million in a breathtaking 325-acre estate. This move marked a significant upgrade, reflecting not just their success, but their desire for a harmonious retreat near Music City. Nestled less than an hour from Nashville, the estate combines rustic charm with luxurious amenities, a perfect haven for the family, and conveniently located just 7 minutes from a close friend, none other than Justin Timberlake. The Franklin property is a masterpiece of nature and design. The mile-long driveway sets the stage for what's to come. Fountains, a waterfall, and a sprawling entertainment pavilion that boasts a smoker, grill, television, and even a sauna. For equestrian enthusiasts, the estate offers horse trails, spring-fed creeks, and a fully equipped equestrian center. It's a countryside oasis, blending tranquility with the sophistication of modern living. Inside, the 410-square-foot home provides ample space for their growing family. With 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, the estate also features a family room, living room, dining area, and a kitchen crowned with a marble island. A wet bar and fully finished basement add to its charm, creating a space that's as inviting as it is functional. This isn't Stapleton's first experience with homeownership in Tennessee. Before Franklin, the family resided in a stunning 1940-built home in Nashville. Purchased for $580,000 in 2010, the 3,053-square-foot residence exuded vintage charm with hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and exposed beams. The updated kitchen featured granite countertops and modern appliances, while the master suite offered a luxurious retreat with a jetted tub and glass shower. A unique feature of the home was a child's dream room, complete with a play space accessible via a ladder in the walk-in closet. Despite its charm, the Stapletons sold this home in 2017 for $950,000, taking a modest loss. From the timeless allure of their Nashville home to the grandeur of their Franklin estate, Chris and Morgane Stapleton have crafted spaces that reflect both their down-to-earth roots and their sky-high achievements. Their Franklin property, with its natural beauty and refined touches, is a testament to their vision of a life that balances family, artistry, and the simple pleasures of home. Stapleton's soulful tenor voice, often compared to legends like Ray Charles and Merle Haggard, and his guitar work, reminiscent of Stevie Ray Vaughan, reflect his wide-ranging influences, from outlaw country to blues and southern rock. Critics and fans alike celebrate his ability to channel raw emotion and authenticity into every performance. Offstage, Stapleton shares his life with his wife Morgane, a singer-songwriter and his creative partner. Married since 2007, they live in Nashville with their 5 children. Morgane has been instrumental in curating his work, sifting through years of songs to select those for his albums. From singing the national anthem at Super Bowl LVII to collaborating with Bruno Mars, Rage Against the Machine's Tom Morello, and even contributing to Game of Thrones, Stapleton's reach extends far beyond country music. With 10 Grammy Awards, multiple CMAs, and the ACM's Artist-Songwriter of the Decade honor, Chris Stapleton has become a beacon of authenticity and artistry, bridging genres and touching hearts worldwide. At 46 years old, with an estimated net worth of $25 million, he remains a musical force whose voice, storytelling, and soul continue to captivate audiences. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.